Hey guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please give us a call if you guys are looking to improve your credit score, lower your car payment, buy a car, trade in a car. If you're looking to purchase your first home, if you're looking to purchase a rental property, we can help you. Give us a call today, 877-205-7771. Talk to you guys soon, and thanks again. Hello everyone, this is Calvin Russell, CEO and founder of 850 Club Credit Consultation. Hope everyone's doing well today. Today we're going to talk about the new Experian product that just hit the market and is driving people crazy. It is the new Experian Credit Works Premium. And some of you all may know this because Experian's had a lot of different products. They bought out a lot of different companies. We know they bought out freecreditreport.com, freecreditscore.com. They recently made a major purchase and purchased Credit Check Total. So, and of course we know that they are still working with FICO and I forgot the name of the company, but it's like Finicity or something like that with the whole Ultra FICO movement. So they're doing a lot of big things in the marketplace. And this is another piece, to not necessarily the Ultra FICO like hookup or circle, but this most definitely shows you that this is now the first time that FICO is now releasing their products through a credit bureau where it's actually cheaper. Okay, so for example, with MyFICO, they have a 3-bureau monitoring, and if you want to get that where it gives you monthly updates on all 27 scores, okay? I'm sorry, it's going to give you quarterly updates on all 27 scores, okay? That's category scores, as well. So auto loan scores, personal loan scores, mortgage scores, so all the scores that you need, and credit card scores, okay? Either way, all of that normally costs $30 a month if you get quarterly updates. Now you get daily alerts, but if you get quarterly reports with all brand new 27 scores, okay? With the daily alerts, those are just your overall scores. Hope I'm not confusing anyone. Then of course they have the monthly plan where you get all 27 scores updated every single month, and that includes all 3 bureaus, okay? This is the first time in which FICO is giving away essentially their $40 a month plan in an Experian platform. And let me break it down to you guys. So the first month is $5, and then after that it's only $24.99, and you're going to get all 27 of your scores, and that includes all 3 credit bureaus, and that's going to give you monthly scores on all categories. Now this is based on what's on their website. I don't know if they're going to change it to maybe quarterly, but this is most definitely something that could be an alternative. If you have MyFICO. A lot of my clients, of course, we use everything here at 850, so we can read any report really. And but a lot of people always say, well, which platform do you recommend? Well, I mean, 90% of lenders, look at myfico.com, and that's what they're pulling from. And, like when you're getting a mortgage, it may say Equifax something, or Credit Works, or Credit something, Credit Expert. Again, all this stuff is just another form of software to pull directly from FICO itself. But this is the first time I've seen in helping people with credit for over 7 years. This is like a platform. It's essentially myfico.com, and it's going through Experian. So this just kind of shows you how tight the relationship is between Experian and FICO. So again, first month is only $5, and after that is $24.99 a month, and you're gonna get all of 27 of your scores, all 3 credit bureaus, monthly scores, monthly reports. That is major, and that's gonna save people like $15 a month. But what I've noticed is that a lot of people, we talk to a lot of people every day, and everyone has different platforms if they're paying for something that they're comfortable with, but you don't know what's out there. So all these companies are making money, but they may not know the best absolute source. I'm not saying that this is the best absolute source, but it's most definitely the cheaper alternative to get all three. Now you always have Identity IQ, which we have a discount that you can get as well, and that's only $21.99. Again, still the best on the market. I haven't seen that, but again, they're not FICO scores. So if you just want to see it and save, yourself a few dollars, and hey, I recommend it. But if you want to see the FICO score and things of that sort, this may be the brand new alternative. So I'll put the link down at the bottom. No, we don't get paid from Experian or anything like that. You guys know us by now. The 850 Club, we're always trying to make sure we share the best accurate information for our subscribers and viewers like yourself. So if you like this video, like it. If you want to share it, share it. And as always, be sure to subscribe as we have nothing but more great content on the way. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.